Today our topic is ratio. The radius of a circle A is R and the radius of circle B is 3/4 of R. There are two circles A and B. There are two circles like this one circle and this one another circle. There are two circles. In first circle, the radius of the first circle is R, and the radius of the second circle is 3/4 of R, or we can write thrice R by 4. The radius of the first circle is R and the radius of the second circle is thrice R by 4. What has been said here? The questionnaire has wanted to know from you the area of the circle A to the area of the circle B. The ratio of the circle of area of the circle A and the area of the circle B. The questionnaire has wanted to know from you to elaborate you. The questionnaire has said you to elaborate that you have to find out the ratio. You have to find out the ratio. What's the ratio? The areas of A and B. So now let's get started. The areas of A and B. Suppose the area of this one is the first circle A and this one the second circle B. This circle name is A and this circle name is B. The area of the first circle is pi r square. According to the theory, we know that the area of the circle, any circle, pi r square, where r is the radius. So in the first circle, the area of the first circle is pi r square. In the same way, the area of the second circle is, this is the first circle, we have to find out the ratio. The first circle ratio, second circle. Ratio means is 2. The first circle is 2, second circle. The area of the second circle is pi r square. The same theory, pi r square. Here r is the radius and the value of the r, radius equals thrice r by 4. So instead r we will write thrice r by 4, pi r square. The area of the first circle pi r square, here r is the radius. This is the r. In case of second circle, the radius of the circle is r. Here r means thrice r by 4. Pi r square is the area of the second circle. Here r means, or radius of the second circle is thrice r by 4. This is the thrice r by 4. R square, or that means thrice r by 4 square. Now we can write, we can solve this. We can divide pi and pi. Then we will get in the left side r square is 2. Thrice square, that means 9, r square, that means r square, 4 square, that means 16. So we can write again r square. This is 2. This is 2. Is 2 means divide. Is 2 means divide. So is 2, this is divide. If we multiply, this term will inverse. That means 16 by 9 r square. So r square, if we subtract, then we get 16 by 9. 16 by 9. And this 16 by 9, that means divide. This is by or divide. Divide means is 2 or ratio. So we can write 16 is to 9. Look, 16 is to 9, we can write 16 by 9. Similarly, 16 by 9, we can write 16 is to 9. This is by or divide. Divide means is 2. So the answer of this question is 16 is to 9. Where is the answer? This is A. A is the 9, that means 16 is to 9 is the answer of the first question. The ratio of the two circle A and B. The ratio of the area of the two circle A and B is 16 is to 9. Where the radius of the first circle is I, the radius of the second circle is thrice r by 4. I think it's clear to you. Then if you can understand clearly, then make your comment. Okay, I will try to read your comment.